ChatGPT's next update just leaked, and it's beyond anything we expected. We're talking voice, video, memory, and real-time interaction. This is what you need to know about GPT-5, and how it could change everything. If you thought AI was powerful before, this next update is on a whole new level. GPT-5 might be the first version of ChatGPT that can fully see, hear, speak, and remember, like a real human assistant. Let's break down what's leaked, what's coming, and how to use this to your advantage before anyone else does. 1. What's leaked about GPT-5? Insiders and early testers say GPT-5 will include some insane new upgrades. Real-time voice conversations with natural emotion, image and video understanding, where it can describe visuals and generate new ones. Stronger long-term memory, letting it remember you, your preferences, and your work. Multi-modal output, meaning it can write, speak, and show images or video clips all together. That's not just smarter, that's interactive AI on a whole new level. And if these features launch together, ChatGPT could become the single most powerful productivity tool on the planet. 2. What makes this a game changer? Here's the truth. Most creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses still use 3 to 5 tools to do what GPT-5 might handle in one. Instead of using ChatGPT to write scripts, another tool to narrate, and another to edit video, imagine doing all of it inside one platform. This could save hours every week, or even replace full-time virtual assistants. This isn't about making content faster, it's about changing how we work altogether. 3. Will it replace tools like Pictory, Canva, or HeyGen? Not completely, but it might change how we use them. GPT-5 will still need platforms like Pictory to structure visuals and timing for video, or Canva for graphic design. But now you'll be able to feed in smarter scripts, voiceovers, and visuals using GPT-generated content. I use all of them together. GPT for ideas, Canva for thumbnails, and Pictory to build full videos like this one. It's faster, smarter, and honestly, more fun. 4. What this means for you if you're just starting your channel, building content, or launching a business, now is the best time to get ahead. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start before this next AI wave launches. Once GPT-5 drops, everyone will be rushing to catch up. But if you're already using these tools today, you'll have a massive head start. 5. What you can do right now: start using what's already available. Checkmark ChatGPT for writing, ideas, and research. Checkmark Pictory AI for creating video content fast. Checkmark Canva Pro for designs and thumbnails. You don't need to wait for GPT-5. You can build your content system now using AI tools that are already working. Affiliate links are in the description if you want to test what I use myself. This isn't just a software update, it's the next evolution of how we work and create. What feature do you want GPT-5 to have? Voice? Vision? Creativity? Drop your answer below, and hit subscribe for more updates like this, because AI is just getting started.